Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring alphabets and numbers. Blue color, red color, green color, white color, yellow color, black color. So kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, G, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So kids, now we coloring the numbers. So kids, today we are using blue color and draw A, the alphabet of A. Kids, the next one is B. So kids, again we using blue color. B. B for ball. So kids, the next one is C. C for cat. Kids, now we using red color. C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog. So kids, now we using again red color. So kids, the next one is E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Now we using white color. E for elephant. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish. F for fish. Kids, the next one is G. G for goat. And we are using green color. G for goat. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. H for hand. Kids, the next alphabet is I. I for ice cream. We again use green color. J for jackfruit, and we are using yellow color. J for jackfruit. So kids, now we using yellow color. Kids, the next one is K. K for kite. K for kite. Kids, now we using black color. Now we are coloring the letter of L. L for lion. Now we are coloring M. M for man. Again, we are using black color. M for man. Kids, the next one is N. N for nest. So kids, again we using blue color. N for nest. And the next one is O. O for orange. O for orange. Kids, the next one is P. P for parrot. And now we using red color. P for parrot. Q for queen. We using red color. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. R for rose. The next one is S. We are coloring the alphabet of S. S for sun. S for sun. Kids, the next alphabet is T. T for tree. Tree. So kids, now we using white color. T for tree. Kids, again we using white color. And now we are draw U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Kids, now we are coloring V. V for van, and using green color. V for van. Kids, again we using green color. W for wolf. Wolf. Kids, the next letter is X. X. Kids, X for X-ray. X for X-ray. We using yellow color. Again we are using yellow color. And now we are coloring Y. Y for yolk. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Kids, now we are coloring the numbers. First we using again yellow color. O. So kids, now we using black color and draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Kids, the next number is 3. The number of 3. And now we using again blue color. The number of 3. Kids, again we using blue color. And now draw 4. The number of 4. Kids, now we are coloring 5. 5. Now we using red color. The number of 5. Kids, again we using red color and draw 6. The next number is 7. 7. Kids, now we using green color. The number of 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8. The next one is 8. Kids, the last number is 9. 9. And now we are using yellow color. Kids, the last number is 9. N-I-N-E, 9. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.